Okay, everyone, we're heading over to meet Nasir, a sophomore sports management major from New London, Connecticut. Nasir is going to show us the golf course and the Bison Den Clubhouse, two extraordinary on-campus student-run learning labs. You do not want to miss this one. Over to you, Nasir.
Thanks, Alex. Growing up, I've always had a passion for sports in all aspects, as a player or simply being a part of an organization. So it made perfect sense when I enrolled into the Nichols College Sport Management Program, which is ranked among the top 20 programs in the nation. Nichols has provided me with hands-on opportunities that not many students can experience. There's a golf course on campus that's entirely student-run, and I'm a part of the team that manages it. We prepare budgets, order merchandise for the pro shop, and work closely with the grounds crew. We also work with the students that run the Bison Den, which is the clubhouse pub. At Nichols, I'm making great connections and taking advantage of opportunities that will help me succeed. I recently participated in the Super Bowl practicum, an amazing course where we studied the impact of the big game and spent a week in the host city. This year, I volunteered at the NFL Experience, networked with other college students, and visited the Las Vegas Golden Knights practice facility with the Nichols alumnus. On Super Bowl Sunday, my classmates and I worked inside Allegiant Stadium, assisting fans and improving the game day experience. Nichols prepares students, fosters alumni connections, provides internships, and creates a place we can call home. The small campus environment means I have a good social life on the Hill with students who share similar interests. Everyone at Nichols has my best interests at heart. It encourages me to follow my passions. As an African-American male, my goal is to open doors for others while pursuing a career as an MBA executive. I want to foster change and make an impact. Nichols College has prepared me to do all of that and more. That's my story, Alex. Back to you.
Nasir, your real-world experience is incredible. I mean, how many campuses have a golf course and one that's run by students? And thanks for your efforts to increase minority leadership in professional sports. We have no doubt that you'll be sitting in a corner office very soon. Thanks, Nasir.